If you want to add a widget to the home screen, what you need to do is simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then here at the bottom we can select widgets. Here we have some example widgets that we can add, but also if you scroll down you will find the list of all apps that have widgets. So for example, we can go, let's say, to calendar, and then we can choose one of these options, and you can either just tap on the widget and then you will find the add button. So if you do so, it will be added to the first available space. And the other way to do so, let's go back to the widgets, is by pressing and holding the finger, and then if you start moving, then you will be able to place it pretty much anywhere you wish to. You can also drag it all the way to the left or to the right in order to choose to place it in a different page. While you have the widget selected, so if you see these corners, then you can use them in order to, for example, extend or shrink the widget. However, it is available only for some widgets, not all of them, for most of them, I think. And you can still edit the widget by pressing and holding the finger on the widget. So as you can see, we can once again change the size, but we also have additional options like create stack, remove, and settings. So if you want to remove the widget, this is how we can do this. And as you can see, we have the option create a stack as well. This allows you to use a single space for multiple widgets. Of course, these widgets should be the same size. So if I decide to create stack, now I can choose the widget that has the same size, a widget actually that has the same size. So in this case, I believe, let me actually check, it is 2 by 2, so I can use another 2 by 2 widget that can be added to the same spot. So for example, I'm gonna go to the clock, and let's say I'm gonna add this clock here, and then I'm gonna simply press add. And now, as you can see, we have 2 widgets in the same place. We can swipe between these widgets. You can press and hold the finger again on the widget that you have here in order to edit the stack. So you can see all widgets that are placed in the same spot. You can add another widget, or you can remove them by tapping on this minus button in the top left corner of a widget. This allows us to save the space and have multiple widgets in one place, and we can just simply swipe between them. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!